Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have a haul. Thanks to Miss Ada, the paper treasury. I got some sequins. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yoo-hoo. And there it is, people. Nice. Oh my god. Oh, look at these gold stars. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm so happy. I totally need to get a container for these sequins. Look at these gigantic flowers. Those would look so pretty with some beads. Big old sequins. And I got some squares. Okay, I don't know how to do this because this is my first time to do a sequence haul from Cartwright. This is from Cartwright's, and I went to their Instagram page, clicked on their link, and it went straight to their website. And so this is not the first time I've heard of Cartwright's. Way back, 2016, when I started watching YouTube videos, I was following Nurse Tara on YouTube. She got all her beautiful sequins from Cartwright's. I think even her beads. She got some beads from there too. But anyway, so Ada came up and reminded me, because I totally forgot about this. I forgot all about this company. But she also has a discount code, and it's just the word paper. So if you go to their website and you make a purchase, there's a discount code place. You can put your code on there, and you just type in paper, P-A-P-E-R, and you get, I think it's 20%. I think it's a 20% discount. I might be wrong, but anyway, let me quit yapping. You guys want to see this right here? Can you see all that? Look at these lovely itty bitty square sequins. Look at that. Can you see all that? Oh my god, I can't. I'm using my cell phone, that's why I can't tell if it's focusing on the sequins. So those are little squares, and I think this is 6mm embossed iridescent clear squares. That is so pretty. So the next one, this one is clear 4mm slightly cupped crystal iris. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, I get to make pretty shakers. I could have used these today on some of my embellishments that I just made. So pretty. I love that. So that's what I got there. Let me just move my glue gun wires away. All right, so the next one I have is 8mm clear iridescent circles, and these are embossed like the squares. So there's like a repetitive circles embossed on here on the sequins. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see all that. And this is 8mm. Okay, this is 8, 6, and 4. Okay, so the next one I got were some clear 4mm slightly cupped iridescent, and there's approximately 120 count, but this is super tiny. This is the difference. So this one has iridescent crystal, and this one is just the iridescent clear. So they're both slightly cupped, and you can see there's a difference in the colors. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I'm so in love. So this one was in the clearance. This is the Moonshine 6mm embossed circle, and these are not consecutive circles. These are like bursts. Like there's little burst embossing on there. I don't know if you guys can even see. I hope you can see. I hope I can zoom in when I start to edit. But that is super cute. This is also 6mm. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this one is 6mm flat embossed circle, and this is like opal almost. You guys can see it's just like this one, embossed the same way, like the burst, but this is an opal. They call it opal with a little bit of iridescence in there. I wish I had containers, because then I can open them and I wouldn't feel bad, because once you open it, you know, it's hard to contain them. All right, so let me see what else we got here. Here we go. So this is the clear 6mm slightly cupped iridescent, and there's about 650 in this one. And look at that, slightly cupped iridescent. It's so pretty. I tried to get the ones that were very unique that you couldn't get like at Hobby Lobby or whatever. So these, that's why I have so many of the clear stuff. And then they had 3mm. Ooh, so pretty. This one is 3mm flat iridescent clear. Oh, look at that. Can you guys even see all that? I don't even know if you can see it because it's so tiny. But that's what that looks like, and it's 3mm. Okay, so there's the 8, 6, 4, and 3. I found bugles, bugle ones. These are the clear little, what is this? Iridescent twist bugles. Okay, let me put that to the side. Clear iridescent twist bugles. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is for beading or even for shakers. My gosh, if I had known they were this tiny, I probably would have ordered 2 of each. But that is so cute. $1.25. It's not bad. I think this is 3mm something. No, not 3mm. Anyway, it's different. This one is white opalescent 5mm stars. Okay, and that is what that looks like. Super tiny. You see all that beauty? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at all this. It's a clear 5mm crystal iris stars. Oh, this is gorgeous. Same size as the white one. Look at that. Oh my gosh, can you see all these goodies? Ooh. So here is the flamingo pink 4mm slightly cupped crystal iris. This is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? That freaking light is so bright. I'm sorry if you guys really can't see it, but that's how tiny these are. These are the 4mm. 4mm flamingo. All right, so here's another one. It's Skyline 4mm slightly cut crystal iris. Look at this blue. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so pretty. Mermaids. Calling all mermaids. So 4mm again. Okay. Let me see. Here we go. Blue Lagoon 4mm slightly cut crystal iris. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All the glare. I'm sorry. So sorry. There we go. Can you see how small that is? There it is. There it is. Super tiny. Beautiful colors. Here's another 4mm ballerina pink. Oh my god, gorgeous. Same as these. These are all the same. Slightly cupped. Beautiful iris. Crystal iris. Yep. Crystal iris. Beautiful. Silver 5mm. This is called Progressive Hologram Stars. Oh my goodness, look at that. You see all the shiny? That's gorgeous. I love it. Silver. And let me see, more sequins. Here we go. And this one is Primrose 4mm slightly cut crystal iris. It's all the same family, these colors right here. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see it's showing up a little orangey, but it's not orange. It's pink. It's definitely pink. Okay, so there you go. These are the pinks right there. And then we have my favorite, purple. This one is Wild Orchid 4mm slightly cut crystal iris. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my god. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's gonna look really cute in some shakers. I really wish I could show you the real color of this. Maybe in daylight. Not right now. There's another one. This is Bali Breeze 4mm also. Same thing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's so very sparkly. All right, okay, so for the stars, I got this one in gold, 15mm, and it's holographic too. There's a slight holographic in there, in the gold. You can see the colors. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I love that. Okay, more sequins. This is a chamomile 8mm slightly cupped iris, and it's like a matte finish. It's not a shiny finish, it's a matte. You see all that? And it was one of the clearance. This was clearance. This was in the clearance. And yeah, I think that was all the clearance. Some of these shaped ones are from the clearance section. Okay. Now all these flower sequins that I'm sharing with you are all in the clearance. This is 15mm iridescent flower, positively purple, and it's huge. Well, not that huge, but it's a gorgeous purple. You see that? You see that purple right there. And then on the back side of it is like a iridescent on the back side. So pretty. So that is one of the flowers. Here's another flower. Celebrity Red 15mm iridescent flower. And whoops, the back of the flower is that iridescent again. You can see that. And then the front is that red. Really pretty red. All right, this one is silver. 15 millimeter hologram plum blossom. It's all pretty. Look at that. So that's silver. I got it in gold. Same thing. And then this is a raspberry flash with that holographic back, and then like a plummy raspberry finish. So that was all clearance on the shaped sequins. Now, stars of the show. Oh, here's one more flower. This one is Pink Persuasion, and it's also the 15 millimeter, and it's beautiful. I love it. So there we go. Those are the flowers. I'm gonna slide these over. These are called the Aurora Borealis Crystal Iris Confetti. Okay, and I don't know what size this is. Probably the 3 millimeter. Oh no, it's different sizes. I can see the different sizes in here. But look at that. This is the confetti. So pretty. The disc. And then I got Skyline, and I got Blue Lagoon, and then there's Cabana Blue. Isn't that pretty? And I got the mixed colors, 6 millimeter. This is, it just says mixed colors, but I got 6 millimeter in that, and I got the 5 millimeter in the same color mix. Why? I don't know. And then this one is mixed colors. This is, oh, it doesn't say because it's multi sizes, so all the different sizes. And then we got our purple potion. So it looks black on screen, but it's really dark purple, the confetti. I got Copacabana, and this is also a mixed size in here also. Looks like 3, 4, and 5 millimeter mixed in here. That's pretty. And then this is Princess, same thing, there's multiple sizes. And this one is Ballerina Pink, so pretty. Super pretty. Look at that with the purple. Gorgeous. And then another purple, which is Wild Orchid, same thing. These are just all confetti. Gorgeous. And the last one is Clementine. Isn't that beautiful? It's so bright. I love it. Pretty. I love, love, love. All right, guys, that is it. And here is their business card. It comes in it. And there's questions, returns, exchange in the back, and just says thanks for your order. It's very cool. Amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Cartwright. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. And please go check out Aaaaarrrraaa. Go ahead. You can kill me when you see me. I keep messing her name up. Aaaaarrrraa's video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.